Action.
Clear here. Pretty clear. What are these computers? Hello. Hi, my name's Bruce McLean and I'm a dummy. Yeah. Clear. I'll turn the light off so you can use your flashlight.
I don't have a flashlight.
There's one on the magnifying glass.
Okay. Maybe I'll put this right in front of the camera. Interesting. Maybe. Show that it glows? Yeah.
Yeah, you should maybe like highlight
Because,
some of
like-
the fingerprints or something.
Yeah. There's some over here. The fingerprints.
Show it on William Lumberg's name tag.
No girls allowed.
She's shedding some light on this investigation.
Oh, nailed it.
Oh, actually, it looks good with the light. I'm sorry. Just because it.
Let's see. Stapler. Cool. Pretty good.